Alright sa inyo, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa paniba. Wait. Chill out. Sorry sa inyo, okay. Alright sa inyo, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video. Tinatawag na, Brain Rot Morph Obby ba yun? Hindi ko nga alam kung ano bang title ng laro na to. So ngayon, we're gonna about to beat this game until the end. Pero mahaba naman kaya yeah, let's go. Okay, so we need to be careful here, okay? We need to be careful, and we're gonna go to Philippines, okay? I miss Korea, bro. Miss ko na yung Korea, guys, pero yeah. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna continue this. There you go. Okay, jump here, there you go. Sobrang lamig sa Korea, guys. Oh my god. Okay, yep. I knew it. So hanggang saan to? Mataas to lang ba? Oh, what? Really? Really, dude? Oh my goodness. Oh, let's go there. Okay, there you go. Ayun pala, meron pala itong daanan Hindi ko pala nakita yung kanina. Pero sige na, anyways. Okay, when do we jump here? There you go. Meron dito mga troll. Where's the bacon? Hey bacon, where are you bacon? I think na wala na siya, guys. Okay, so anyways. Ayun si bacon, guys. Ginagawa ni bacon dun. Anyways, let's go. Bruh! Are you serious, bro? Dang it. Ano to? Like to make sure, okay. So, meron dito meron ditong shrink. Hindi, meron dito grow. May bayad din, may gloves. May bayad din yan, okay na pa. Anyways, hayaan mo na nga yan. So, yun na nga. Tatry natin tapusin to. Etong game na to. Okay, legit. Free, ano yan? Free slap. Okay. There you go. Jump here. There you go. Kailangan mo lang easy dito. Oh my. Anong tong sahur? Chill out. Tong sahur dito, tong sahur yun, boys. Ito. Ano to? Ano meron dito? What is this? Game. Only tong sahur, enter here. Why? Wait, tong sahur can only enter there. Uy, si bacon, guys. Hi, ano to? Okay, so, never mind. Claim. Let's go. Let's claim this brain rot. There we go. Yep. Oh my god, what is this? What is this brain rot? Ano to? Job application ba yun? Yung meme na yun? Advance na isang oras dito sa sa South Korea. There you go. Jump over here. There you go. Up here. Kailangan mo dahan-dahan dito. Oh my god. Kailangan mo lang slowly but surely. Kailangan mo lang mag-ensayo dyan. There you go. Up here. Saan pa dito? Well, pwede mo mag-skip dito, diba? See? I can do this. Bro, why I cannot? Bro, seriously, dude. Bro. Bro. Anyways, there you go. Okay, dito. Diyan. Saan dito? Dito. I think yaman na nga guys. Tara, dito tayo. Oh my god, sobrang lag. Sobrang lag ng gameplay natin, guys. Kasi okay. There you go here. Okay, there you go. Kailangan mo lang slowly here. There you go. Okay, so we here. Skip na natin dito para hindi tayo mahirapan dun. No! Bro. Oh my god. Are you serious, bro? Oh my god, dude. Really? Oh my god, guys. Nahulog pa tayo doon. Hindi ko na alam. Oh my goodness, bro. Andun na tayo sa taas eh. Namatay ka pa doon eh. I mean, nahulog ka pala. Yes, yun na nga. Anyways, I'm gonna do this again. There you go. Please, huwag ka na mahulog dito, please. Please, huwag ka dito mahulog, please. There you go. Yan. Sana hindi ka na mahulog dito. Nice one. Dito na ulit. Please, huwag ka na mahulog, please. Please. I beg you. Here. Here? Yes, sir. I told you I can't do this. I can't do this, bro. Seriously. Saan dito? Doon. Tara. Rililira lila tung 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 ta ur ta 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 sahur. Oh my god. Immatured. Yes, immatured yan. Sa mga ano lang guys, mga 6-7 kills lang yun guys. Okay? Yung mga mga kids na kids, you know, see, I can do this, my friend. I can do this, my friend. I can do this. There you go. Okay, next stage. Ano to? Blue. There you go. Jump. Wait lang. Hey, chill out. Chill out, dude. God damn it. Oh my god. Wait, dito. Jump pa dito. There you go. Jump over here. Run as you can. There you go. Wait lang. Hey, chill out. Chill out, dude. No! Oh my god, no. Oh my god. What? I didn't even know. There you go. Sana wag ka na mahulog dito, please. Arigatou gozaimasu. There you go. So, kailangan mo lang dumaan dito para hindi ka mahulog doon sa pinakapulog. Ano daw? Ouch. There you go. Okay. Masakit yung damage dito. May ticket ng damage yun eh. So, ingat tayo dito. There you go. Over here. Okay, there you go. Jump over here. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna skip this level. Okay, over here. There you go. Okay guys, we need to finish this, okay? We need to finish this. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, we're here. We're almost there. Kailangan natin ng dahan-dahan dito na slow moves, diba? You know. Really. No! Oh my god. After many years, I finally did it. Let's go. There, go over here. Doon tayo. Let's go. After many years, I finally done here. There you go. Oh my god. Guys, kung gusto nyo, i-check yung aking Discord server. Nasa dyan. Sa screen yan. Yan. Okay, malapit na tayo. Andun na yung kulay yellow. Malapit na tayo doon. Oh my god. After many years, I finally done. See that? There. Mahirap yun. I mean, madali siya pero pag tinanay mo, madali siya. Madali pero mahirap. Ano daw? Oh my god, ouch. There you go. Okay, ito na. Last 2 level. Ayun yung pinaka-finish line, guys. Ayun na. Konting-konti na lang, guys. Konting kembot na lang. Ayun na. Konting kembot na lang, guys. Ayun na. Oh my god. Careful. Yan. Kailangan mo lang dahan-dahan dito, guys. Okay? Yan. Nope. Wag ka mo. Oh my god. This is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy today. Oh my god. Ouch. Ow. Oh. Muntik na yun ah. That was so close. Oh my god. After many years, I finally did this. Etong yung level na yan ha. Yung level na yan. Sobrang hirap niyan. Pero kapag tinanay mo ano yan, easy na lang sa inyo yan. Diba? Kailangan mo lang dyan ng dahan-dahan. Huwag ka masyadong mabibilis. Ito yung pinakayoko eh. Mahirap to eh. Ayoko to eh. Sa mga pinakayoko to eh, yung ito yun eh, parang ganyan. Ito, yan. Oh my god, konti na lang guys. Konting kembot na lang. Alog-alog. There you go. Oh my god. Sorry for that. So, yan na guys. Ito na yung finish line. Ayan na. Job application man. You're gonna go now. Let's go. I did it. Let's go. I did it. So, yun lang sa video na to. And sana may enjoy nyo. So, yun lang sa ating video na to. And yun lang. And thank you. And goodbye. See ya. Peace out. Bye-bye.